Hello, I'm civil rights attorney Tommy Strelka, and welcome to Tommy Talk. In the past, we've talked about a nightmare scenario at the workplace in which all of a sudden you are summoned to a meeting with your supervisor and Elizabeth from Human Resources.
Hi, Deborah. Hi, Elizabeth.
It's in this nightmare that you are handed a severance agreement and told if you don't sign it and resign, you will be fired. Now, for years, people thought that I advise my clients based on years of experience and my legal education. But that couldn't be more wrong. I get all my information on severance agreements from Sean the Severance Squirrel.
Hello, I'm Sean the Severance Squirrel. I'm here to advise you on your severance. Here are 3 simple hacks. Enter the severance matrix. See the severance agreement. Seems like a normal severance agreement. But see here. Do you see these numbers? These identifiers at the bottom of every page. These are used by law firms. What does this tell you, Tommy?
Sean, it tells me that this employer paid for this severance agreement to be created. This wasn't handled in-house. They paid money to address this problem. And if they paid money to address this problem, there's probably negotiable wiggle room in this severance agreement.
That is brilliant. Severance hack 2. What if Elizabeth from HR says you have to make your decision now? Sign or resign.
Does the company employ at least 20 people?
Yes, they do.
Is the employee 40 years of age or older?
Yes, they are.
It tells me that this severance agreement is not worth the paper it's printed on because of a federal law called the Older Worker Benefit Protection Act. Your employer, if you're older 40 and they employ more than 20 employees, has to advise you in writing to seek review of this severance agreement from a licensed attorney. And they have to provide you 21 days to consider this agreement. You can't be forced to make the decision in that room in front of Elizabeth from Human Resources.
Yes. So you get 21 days to consider it. Hack 3. I was told my job was eliminated due to a reduction in force and provided a severance agreement. What do you advise?
If you work for a mid-size or larger employer and you're 40 years of age or older, then if your employer insists that your job is being eliminated due to reduction in force, they have to provide you documentation with the severance agreement. This documentation must include the job titles, ages of the people who are not being reduced, and the job titles and ages of the people who are being reduced.
They left out that information. What does that tell you?
Sean, it tells me that this reduction in force is highly suspicious. It reeks of last year's acorns. If you have any questions about whether or not you should sign a severance agreement, please consult a licensed attorney in your area.